Guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make emerald green color. For this we need a container, a brush, yellow color, Persian blue color, some white color and some mustard yellow color. So if you want to see the mustard, how to make a mustard yellow color, you can watch the video on my channel by clicking on that description box link, which is named as how to make mustard yellow color, and by also clicking on that colors playlist I button. And here's some water, so let's get started. For this, first we'll take one part of Persian blue color. Now as I am using the normal yellow color, I'll take it half part, but if you are using the lemon yellow color, you have to take it one part, and one part of mustard yellow color, and mix all these colors. And now after this, take one part of white color and mix. See, I have taken half. Now again will take half part and mix it. And here is our emerald green color ready. Let me show it to you by applying on the paper. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I post a new video, and please also press the bell icon to see every new video I post on my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.